Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know about the Valheim Deep North updates. Today we're breaking down the latest Valheim developer updates. Word from the devs through the roof. This was released on November 26, 2025, and this installment teases more Deep North progress, the final biome for Valheim 1.0, whilst also confirming long speculated features. The first major reveal is the following. Those mysterious builds fans have speculated about, well, they've been confirmed as abandoned structures in the Deep North. You can expect lootable sites similar to the Verga camps in Mistlands or Draga villages in Ashlands. Potentially, they may have mobs or interactable NPCs. Next up, we have steeper roof pieces. They're finally here. 67-degree angle, 3 meters high, available in Thatch and Darkwood. This includes crossover variants for complex designs. It's ideal for authentic Viking halls, ramps, mob farms, or creative builds. Well, that's about it, but we'll leave the link in the description so you can check this out yourself, and let us know what you think will be added in the future Deep North update. We'll be replying to the best comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro. Also, Merry Christmas!